That sounds like a cash customer. At your service, boy. What'll it be? 1 stack of hotcakes?
Mm-hmm.
With plenty of butter?
Mm-hmm.
Lots of syrup?
Mm-hmm.
1 stack of hotcakes coming up. Nice.
Nice.
You like?
I like.
More butter?
More butter?
More syrup?
More syrup?
Nice.
Very nice.
Plenty butter?
Plenty butter?
Plenty syrup?
Plenty syrup?
Good.
Very good.
You like?
I like.
Okay.
Okay.
More butter?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pay first, eat later. Sorry, son. I can't operate a business on handouts. Go find a job, boy. Earn some money.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay?
Okay.
Service! Service! I'm hungry! Service, do you hear? I'm starving. Bring me food.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What'll it be, sir?
I want 200 flapjacks right now. I'm so hungry I can eat anything.
Yes, sir. 200 flapjacks coming right up.
Hurry with those flapjacks.
Coming, sir. 1 stack of hotcakes on the way. Here you are, sir. Right off the griddle.
I'll teach you not to joke with me. Now get me them hotcakes.
Yes, sir. Here you are, sir. Nice, crispy flapjacks. Eat them while they're hot.
Now get me them hotcakes.
Yes, sir. Your hotcakes, sir.
Cops!
You saved my life, boy. From now on, what's mine is yours. More syrup?
Mm-hmm.
More whipped cream?
Mm-hmm.
More jelly?
Mm-hmm.
Nice?
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.